Welcome to the Seal Expert product presentation. Today we are going to show you how to install the wrap clamp pipe repair clamp. Before installing the wrap clamp, you will need to clean the pipe surface. Whenever possible, you should use a mechanical power tool, for example, wire brush and grinder, to perform surface preparation works. After the surface preparation is completed, the surface should be free of loose particles and debris. In this video, we are using sand belt for illustration purposes. Next, loosen all the bolts using an Allen key. And open up the wrap clamp. Apply some grease onto the rubber sleeve if necessary. Cover the wrap clamp around the pipe next to the leak location. Do not install the wrap clamp directly over an active leak. The rubber sleeve should cover around the pipe circumference gently, so that the slate plate does not damage the rubber sleeve. Ensure that the gap between the wrap clamp and the pipe surface is even. Use a mallet to gently knock the wrap clamp into position and all gaps are fitted correctly. Do not use a hammer as this may deform the wrap clamp. Slot the bolts into position. Tilt the threaded rod to accommodate the angle of bolts if necessary. Tighten all the bolts slightly and gently hammer the wrap clamp so that it glides over the leak area. Once the leak location has been covered completely, tighten all the bolts until leak is stopped completely. For more information about our products, visit us at sealexpert.com.